Hello, in this video we're gonna learn how to verify our account in Dex-Trade Exchange. We go to our profile and then click on verification. In the basic KYC, we click on verify and we will enter the verification section, which we can verify in two ways, by our device or scanning the QR code and continue the verification on our mobile. We choose the device, select the country of residence, plus the document type you want to upload, and click on next. In this part, you have to upload the front side of your document and then back side of your document. And pay attention that the details of the document must be completely visible. After uploading the documents, you click on save and continue. For the next part, you have to take a selfie for liveness check. You click on next and you must take a selfie in this section from yourself. And after taking a selfie, we will enter the verification section, which our account will be verified under 5 minutes. Good luck!